Claude just released an update that's really good for small businesses. I'm going to go through the update, how to use it inside of Claude, and as a bonus, I'm going to give you some additional prompts and skills to use in Claude to take your small business to the next level, to help you with SEO, to help you with traffic, all of the things. Let's dive in and unpack this. So what's the update? So they rolled out the ability in Cowork to have plugins. So if you go to Cowork, you go to customize, and then you go to browse plugins, there are a bunch of pre-built plugins that you guys can use for whatever use case you want. A plugin is basically a combination of connectors, which are connecting out to different applications, and skills using those applications. So they're combining the two in a pre-built workflow. So up until now, you had to create your own, which there's still a lot of benefits to doing that because they're highly customizable. So you can combine your personalized skills with any connections that you want, any apps that you want. But if you're newer to this or you want more of a streamlined, faster way to start, they have these pre-built plugins that you have access to. I think these are only in the paid plan, and you have to go into them into Cowork. So this is the desktop version where I switched to Cowork. So you can go and look at them this way, or you can browse. So if you go to small business, you will see that these are built out for small business. So they have a variety of different skills, 31 skills. Again, these skills are just pre-built prompts that they saved. You can create your own skills inside of Claude, as many as you want. These were all pre-built, but these are specific skills utilizing these specific connectors, which are just apps outside of Claude that integrate with Claude. So it's a combination of these two things. So you see the skills here, and then you see they're using QuickBooks, PayPal, HubSpot, Canva, DocuSign, Slack, Stripe, Square. So all of these. The downfall of this is if you don't have these connectors, these skills are utilizing these connectors. So if you're not using some of this stuff, it's not going to work. You're going to have to tweak it once you install it. So that could be a little bit of a pain point. I think a better way, and probably the direction that this is going in the future, is going to give you a selection of connectors to integrate with a selection of skills that you want, and you should just be able to pick which ones you want. But this is pretty cool. So you can go in here and see these different skills. If you click into them, you can kind of see what they are. So generate a full QBR narrative, revenue trend, margin trend, custom health app, opportunities and risks, and presentation ready PDF on deck that accepts optional quarter and save, whatever that means, quarterly review basically. So choosing invoice chase, close month, content strategy, Canva creator. So it combines like invoicing, marketing, like all of the things. And all you have to do is download this to install it. The other cool thing that I found in here, in the plugins that is helpful, is they have a SEO skill. So when it comes to small business, you are remiss if you don't talk about SEO, because that's the number one way to grow your business, is having a strong SEO presence. A lot of the things that I use Claude for are SEO related, and I'm going to give you a bonus SEO skill here in just a second. So it has different one: AI visibility, broken links, content brief, content strategy. So a lot of this is content and SEO. So here's one for an audit. Run a comprehensive SEO audit on a website or a code base. Use when the user asks audit SEO. Check my site's SEO. So yeah, these are pretty good. Some of these are surprisingly a little basic for what they're doing. I think these can be built out a little bit better. But hey, as a starter, the combination of all of these are pretty good. So once you install these, you can just run the SEO plugin, and it'll go through all of these different skills with what you're asking for. And this is all built in. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. You can go back and kind of search through and sort by whatever you want. I don't know if they have any for social media. Yeah, they do have one for social media automation, for scheduling posts, managing integrations, uploading. And this is pretty much it. Post-its is a tool. So it's basically using Post-its, but I never even heard of that. So yeah, some of these are better than others. I think the SEO one is pretty good. It's pretty comprehensive. The small business one can be good. I think it's only going to get better, but this is a great start, especially for new users to combine the two. Now, I have a bunch of pre-built skills that you guys can install that are really, really good for specifically SEO, specifically for small business, and they are a little bit more advanced than what Claude has built in. So here's all of the skills that I've built out so far. If you type in prompts below, I will give you the link to this, or you can just go to arvo.com/prompts. And these are really, really good skills, especially for SEO. Probably my favorite one is this autonomous SEO content one. So what this one does, this is pretty next level. So all you have to do is put this into Claude and ask it to save it as a skill. But what it does is it'll ask for your business context. It'll create a competitive opportunity and research. So it researches content gaps, opportunities within your competition. And then it comes with bottom of the funnel SEO optimized blog titles and keywords to release content around, so you can get a lot more traffic because you're targeting these gaps and these strengths in the market. And then as a bonus, if you want, so you can take those titles and create blog articles manually or use Claude or whatever, or the optimal way to do it, the way that I've been doing it, is using Arvo's API to automatically create and publish the articles to your own website, right? Which is fantastic. So it basically sends via Arvo's API, which is a cool SEO app that creates amazing blog-friendly articles, SEO-friendly articles. And the nice thing about Arvo is you can configure it for your brand. So you can go in here, add your call to action, internally link your sitemap, externally link to trusted sources, create your own images, or it'll do it for you, link to your YouTube video, or do it for you. So it's using your brand assets to create amazing SEO-friendly articles that are already out of the box optimized for SEO. So you can see this. This is creating these articles and publishing them to your website automatically. So it has the H2s, H3s, alt text, meta description, all of the structure that Google and AIs want. If you create the articles in Claude, you're going to have to go in and basically do all this stuff. This does it for you and then automatically sends it to your website. Or the alternative, if you don't want to connect via the API, you can go in here, use the information that you get with this prompt, pop in your keyword, pop in your title, and then generate it here and then publish it that way. So 2 ways to do it. The other next level part of this is you can connect it with social media to automatically create and publish social media. So this is where this becomes really next level, because it's going to pull your RSS feed, which is where your blogs are housed. And if you're already creating SEO-friendly blogs, it's pulling that information and then creating social media posts based on that information. And it'll even pull in your pictures, or it'll create your own pictures using Claude, or you can have Blotado create your own pictures. So I'm using Blotado to publish my social media content. So it's pulling that, creating the social media posts, and then popping it through to Blotado to schedule and post. So I'm using Blotado. You can use their API. If you go to settings, API, you give it the API key here, it'll create and schedule the posts. The nice thing about it is you can use Blotado to create graphics too. They have all these templates to create graphics. So this is your full content and SEO plan, literally in one prompt, which is next level. So all you have to do, again, is put this whole prompt in and then give it the API keys, and then you're good to go. You can just run this, save it as a skill, and run it every week, run it multiple times a week, whatever you want to do. I run it every week, and it automatically schedules my blogs, schedules my social media posts for the entire week. So this is fantastic. So this works in Claude. If you're working in Codex, you can save it as a skill and do it from there as well. The other thing too is there's a couple of these prompts that you can use as backlinks, which is really good to help you get more backlinks. Or if you are already using Arvo, they have an amazing backlink tool. So if I go in here, I can go to growth, I go to backlink exchange. This is awesome, where basically you just submit your name, your website, and it's a backlink exchange. So how it works is everyone that's a user that submits for this goes into the pool for the potential to get these backlinks. Arvo looks at this pool of backlinks. When you generate articles, it will pull out couple of backlinks that are relevant to your brand and that makes sense. And then when you create your article, it'll include a couple of those backlinks, and vice versa. When other people create articles, it's going to pull out backlinks and put in the articles, and those could be your backlinks as well. So it's a backlink exchange. It's natural. It makes sense. They're high DR backlinks, and it works 100% automatically. So this is a fantastic tool. They're always adding new tools in here, which this is one of the great tools as well. So that's it, guys. Hopefully that helps you guys out as far as what has changed, how to use the new Claude plugins, how to make your own skills that are even better, that can kind of enhance what you're already doing for your small business and start to fully automate everything. Unfortunately, this is not like one-click automation yet, but we're getting close. And if you combine a couple of these tools together, you can make a lot of progress. And there's still so many businesses not utilizing this stuff. So hopefully this helps you guys out. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.